Hey guys, welcome back to another zpoltunboxing unboxing, and today we're gonna take a look at Chi-Fi. This is the Faaeal Datura Pro. So for those guys who's coming from the zpol channel, the zpoltunboxing unboxing channel is just for unboxing, pure unboxing experience. Because I want to unbox first the stuff before I use it and before I do a review on the zpol channel. So the zpol channel will be more of pure, super duper pure reviews. This channel is for pure unboxing and actually just iPhone unboxing. And yeah, this is also a different kind of format altogether because you're using a portrait style kind of video. So this is the Faaeal redefined thinking, and of course you do get the Datura Pro earbuds, 10 grams, 1.25 cable, 16 ohm impedance. So I haven't actually unboxed Faaeal stuff, earbuds specifically before. So we're actually gonna try out just maybe a short listen on this in the unboxing, but of course a full review will come soon. Of course, inside the box you do get this, actually pretty neatly designed box. I do actually like the fact that you don't reveal it right away. There's the buds. I like that it's a bit more mysterious in a way. So inside you do get several foam tips. Putting it aside, and this one is right. Also, let me know guys what you think of the portrait format down in the comments below, and what you think of the 60 FPS. I'm trying that out. So Faaeal comes with a pretty nice box. Actually, this is the first Faaeal earbud that has a box or that has a case that I have reviewed. So maybe this is really in the premium side of things in terms of Faaeal branding altogether. Right, so inside, of course, you do get that really nice cable. Actually, Faaeal makes one of the best cables. The Hibiscus is one of the best built, if not the best built, that I've ever unboxed, under $50. This is what the cable looks like, and of course inside you do get that really wow, that's a nice look overall. That is a really nice look. Look at that, guys. So silver, wow, this is different compared to what I'm usually used to. Wow, this looks really cool. So you do get that kind of silver build, and of course you do get this pretty unique looking lobe altogether. Cable wise, brown in cable, and of course metal in plug. Actually actually might be the best built earbuds that I have yet here in this channel. So we're gonna test it very quickly with my TBR3. Of course, this is again not a review. This is just a quick unboxing and just a quick try of the Faaeal Hibiscus. So let us take a look at if it's the overall sound. So I'm gonna give you guys a blow by blow when I'm listening to it. So it's fairly clean sounding. So I'm listening to Blue Eyes Blue, Eric Clapton. So without the foams, it's a bit bright, but the vocals is really nice on this. Sound is really clear, and the mix are quite forward in the mix also. Right, the Datura Pro. Wow, this sounds actually fairly good. Very clear. Lots of clarity. A vocal is very good on this one. Of course, if I put on the foams, this might sound more warm and might be more geared towards what I prefer in terms of the overall sound. But this one is really clear sounding. It definitely feels like it will be a really nice listen, a kind of a premium listen. So that is the Datura Pro unboxing experience, guys. Of course, a full review in the zpoltunboxing channel. This is just a quick unboxing. And of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And what do you think, guys, of the zpoltunboxing unboxing style, portrait style here in the channel? This is just an iPhone unboxing, so not the same as what you get with zpol with all the b-rolls and stuff. But let me know down in the comments below. And of course, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.